So we actually finished in 12 days, which is absolutely insane.
We'll never ever bid a project over 12 days.
No,
this size.
This should have taken like 20 days. We sent Colin and Christy and Blaine inside like a half hour ago. We fired this thing up.
It's pretty.
You're probably excited to see this, but
pretty awesome.
They're now sitting in this house, not allowed to look at the waterfall. Imagine like you brought us out here to build this thing, and we're saying you can't look at it yet. So we're gonna let them off the hook. I'm gonna call Colin, tell him to come down to the garage, and I'm gonna bring them out the garage door, and we're gonna see for the very first time what the Dewsnup family thinks of their new water feature. Welcome back, everyone. If you're here from Team Aquascape to see the reveal of this incredible project, we're excited to have you here. Let's quickly recap this project. We started with the detailed planning and tough digging, tackled the challenging ledge rock, placed the rocks for the waterfall, and even added a secret hidden waterfall. The days flew by and we pushed through to create this masterpiece. And now the moment we've all been waiting for.
I'm going to look.
I'm gonna.
You walk down the stairs backwards if you have to.
Hey, look.
Colin.
Yeah.
All right, come down to the garage door, the inner garage door. I'm gonna mic you guys up and we're gonna come out and we're gonna show it to you.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Don't look.
Don't look.
I won't look.
You put a sock over your head.
Bring Blaine too.
We put the blinds down in the room so we couldn't accidentally see.
All right,
great.
perfect. All right, I'll be at the inside door. I'll meet you there.
Okay.
Bye. Their reaction is priceless and it's truly emotional. We wanted to keep this moment as real as possible, so what you're about to see is raw and unplanned. All right, let's go.
Oh my word! Okay, I did not even imagine that. Oh my word! That's like in the movies.
What do you think?
Gosh! Oh wow! Oh.
Is it enough pumps?
You guys are from another world.
Oh my word! It's a resort in our backyard.
Obviously, this is the showstopper, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? I mean, did we capture what we did with the drawing?
It's Twin Falls in our backyard.
All right.
Yeah, that's what it is. Twin Falls in the backyard.
Oh
Yeah, this is way beyond what we thought it would be.
my goodness! I can't even believe it. I mean, all we see for 2 weeks is rocks. Lots of dirt.
Hundreds of tons of rocks, right? Colin, you collected every one of these rocks.
Yep, the past couple months.
Wow.
But there's no way we could have assembled them this perfectly.
No way. It's magnificent.
Now seeing it like in context, are you happy we did the seat wall on the back of the patio?
Oh yeah.
Love this.
That was the last minute
check that out.
add-on. It just needed to be there from the start.
That's gonna be like family picture place forever. We won't have to travel for family pictures. We'll just invite a photographer here.
What's cool is now you can see like the different angles of the waterfall when you come around to here. Like normally when we build something like this, you've only got usually one side you're seeing it from. Coming over the bridge onto here gives you a totally different perspective.
Right.
Tell me this isn't the best spot for family photos.
Oh yeah.
Absolute best. Oh my goodness.
Totally.
Well, now you can see that there's actually like 3 waterfalls, or 4. No, there's 5.
Yes, there's one over here. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You were super worried about those small pumps, weren't you?
I was. Those little pumps are going to do
Are
enough
they
for
okay?
this. They're okay.
4 pumps can do this.
I was actually going to just plug one in. I was telling Blake and just let it run and be like, oh, here we go. Check this out. Like you're on the water, right? 180, you're on the water.
Oh.
Yeah, when you dug it, it was so wide, I thought it was going to be a river running through here. But you filled it in with all this meandering stuff.
We haven't gotten to that yet. Like we're just here.
I like this
I know.
because it's almost like you're on a dock.
Yeah.
That's true.
And the water came up like pretty much where we wanted it to. It was high enough that it looks like you're kind of standing out on the water and it's floating.
Well, look at the sunset on the water.
Oh,
Wow. It was reflecting on it back there.
their joy and amazement is why we do this, and it's what makes all our hard work worth it. So you can look in some of these beach areas. The reason we did this, and we use so much cobble, right?
That's right.
Was to get that effect where you can now see like from your seat in the kitchen right to this waterfall.
That's right.
Right in the living room. Right here.
So you've seen 3 so far. Like they're quite different, right?
Right.
And you guys are gonna have like so much time to walk around this whole thing. But look how the water comes through, and here's where it plunges down to like 15 or 16 inches of water. And again, we laid this out. When you're looking from the house, you can see down into it. As hard as we worked to make this happen, you guys have been out here every day killing yourselves.
Trying to keep
It's been worth it. Oh my God.
trying to keep up. Everyone thinks I'm a workaholic, but you guys surpass me.
Yes.
Just
Oh,
the
this is
fact,
cool here how it rushes around.
just the fact that you can walk out on every stone, and you were saying before how you can hop around the whole thing.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like we've looked at some of these waterfalls here in the area, and it's quite similar to that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's really cool. I didn't even know you were going to have a waterfall down here. Oh, and that's a...
Oh, no way.
Oh, wow. Okay,
That's awesome.
So you look at it from here, like
Yeah, look all the way up.
you have to really hike this whole thing to see all of it, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's what's so cool about it. Like all the big rocks, like we love seeing the rocks, but they hide different waterfalls, different stream sections, those cool pools. Like there's so much going on here that when people come here, they're gonna just be floored. I'm floored.
There's-
Yeah, I'm floored.
There's nothing like this in this town, in this state.
This has been, oh my God,
country.
this has been one of the most fun, awesome projects for us. I can't explain what all of us feel, myself, Brian, Ralph, about being here, and you guys have been absolutely amazing. Every one of you.
The opportunity to work with you guys has been.
Yeah, and so tomorrow we're gonna meet, we're definitely gonna meet Corey, we're gonna meet Kelvin, we're gonna meet James, like all the guys that helped on the project, because it's not just us that did this. We kind of orchestrated it, but I mean, we had to have 10 sets of hands to pull this off in 12 days.
Yeah.
We're still in disbelief.
I still can't believe 12 days.
Yeah.
When you guys first said 12 days, I was like, oh.
It's funny because we're looking at, Brian and I are sitting there looking at the plan like 1 day, 2 days. 12 days. We've killed ourselves for the last 12 days.
It's been 12 full days.
Yeah, 12 full days. But I think it was worth the time spent. What are your thoughts?
Oh yeah. I
It's,
mean,
beyond worth it. I mean, this is priceless. How do you ever
yeah, I was trying to find the best.
put it into words?
I was trying to find the best waterfall builders in the world.
And I brought Brian and Ralph too.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
We spent the rest of the evening exploring the finished stream with the homeowners. It was a perfect end to an incredible project. Thank you for joining us as we get to travel the world and live out our dreams. We hope you've enjoyed watching this transformation as much as we enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on our latest projects. And if you found yourself interested in having an incredible project like this in your own backyard, go ahead and check out our project planner. See you next time.